Alright my friends, so in this video I'm going to show you the template literals and how we can use it in ES6. Now the template literals, they are new features that have been added to the concatenation of JavaScript. They make the only benefit that we can get from the template literals, essentially it is going to make the concatenation easier for us. Now what do I mean by concatenation? So here inside my app or inside my app function, what I will do, I'm going to create a variable. Let's call it name, right? So name equal to this name right here, all right? And below it, I'm going to create another variable. Let's call it, for example, age equal to this number right here. Now imagine I want you to print these two values to the browser, right? So what you will do here, here inside my return div, I have added these brackets because I want to execute some JSX. I'm not gonna say JavaScript anymore, okay? Because JSX really is HTML inside or JavaScript inside HTML. So I'm gonna say JSX. Okay, so here I'm gonna execute some JSX and I'm gonna make the name plus the age. Right, so here is how you can print these values together, and as you can see I got these two values, but this is not really understandable. We want to make it clear and readable. So here what I will do, I will add a string. I will type my name is, okay, then after that I'm gonna add a plus sign, and after that I'm gonna add another plus sign. Let me show you, you will understand what is the benefit of all of this. And I'm gonna type and my age is, okay, like so. If we take a look on the browser, we can see that my name is this thing right here, and we need to add a space right here. Okay, so you will see and my age is this thing right here. Okay, of course you could add another space right here. So as you can see, we have successfully printed these values to the browser, but as you can see, we have added several a plus sign right here, right here, right here, and this is really unreadable. We cannot read it very easily because we want to see that, hey, we have a plus sign here, we have a plus sign right here, we have a plus sign right here with these variables and so on. So this is the old way of concatenation, right? Now I'm going to show you the benefit of using the template literals, or literals, how you can spell it, whatever. So what I will do, I will comment this line, okay, so it's not available anymore to be executed. And here I'm going to show you the new features that been added to the concatenation. So the first thing first, you need to add the backticks, but the backticks, it is essentially to the left of your number one on your keyboard. Okay, this one right here. Okay, it is to the left or of your number one on the keyboard. Okay, it is not a quote, it is a backticks. I'm gonna zoom in if I can. Okay, I can't, whatever. So we have it right here. So this is the template literals that we can get benefit from it. Now how does it work? Where essentially I can type my name, the normal text is, then if I want to apply or I want to execute some dynamic values. Now dynamic values are arrays, variables, object, whatever. All these are dynamic values. In order for me to execute or to write any dynamic value, what I want to do, I want to add the $sign. Okay, then the brackets, we have it right here, these brackets, and between these brackets I need to type the name of the variable that I want to show. In my case, I'm just gonna go with name, right? And after that I can type and my age is, then I need to apply the variable right here, which is, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna type the $sign, brackets, then and here I can add my variable name, which will be the age, like so, and as age like so. So we have the age and we have the name, and as you can see, it is more human readable. We can understand it very easily without any plus sign or things like that. So as you can see, this is the new features that been added to the ECMAScript 6, and it is making the concatenation much easier for us. And if we switch back to the browser, we can see the exact same result. So this is really about this new feature that we have. You may need it a lot, and I'm going to show you the benefit later on. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching, and see you in another one.